thank you so much for listening to me. And I've done my thing for the day, my one thing, which was to create an Android tutorial, so I can remove it from my list now, and I can save that. Okay, all that remains is for me to recap what you've learned here, and you have learned how to create a basic Android app, how to connect graphical elements to your code section in Java. You've also learned how to add functionality to button clicks and how to save shared preferences. All of those things you will do over and over again in your development career. Now, if you'd like to go further with app development, I do a range of courses on Android and iOS where I take you, the beginner or novice, all the way from the beginning right to the end, which means published in the app stores. No other course does that. They will show you how to make an app, but they won't show you how to publish it, how to sign it, how to become an Apple or Google developer, which are very complex and involved processes, but I make them easy. So if that sounds like a good idea, then please click on the links if you're watching this on YouTube, or check out my other courses if you're watching this on Udemy. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask them, and I wish you the best of luck in your development career. Thanks for listening.